So sharing your PS Plus is an option, and now I've got a ton of comments saying that it either works or it doesn't, and I pinned a lot of those comments who said it works to this date. Now, a lot of confusion. They wanted me to do a new video, but basically the tutorial is so similar. There's nothing new to it, whether if it's on PlayStation 4 or if it's on the PlayStation 5. Now I'm gonna re-upload the PS4 version on this video. It's gonna come here in maybe 20 to 30 seconds. And if people still can't figure it out, I will try to answer as many comments as possible. Maybe I will do a Q&A for another video to this video. So the video you're going to see is a tutorial on how to do it on the PS4. I can re-upload the best PS5 tutorial on how to share your PS Plus membership in another video. So this was the best tutorial I did for the PS4. It's going to be shown right in a second, and I will be doing a new video, a Q&A to all the comments coming in this video, so that I can like gather all the information, all the questions you have. And yeah, let's dive straight into it. And here's the video from 2020. 2020, yeah, holy heck, man, over a year ago, February of 2020. Let's go. All right, so first and foremost, you are at your primary or your main account, which has the PS Plus membership. As you can see, there's a PS Plus logo beside my Twitch name. And what you'll basically do is go to settings, account management, go to activate as your primary PS4. Remember, the main account, which has the PS Plus membership, should go to this account management and activate your primary PS4. And it should be, yes, it should be activated already. So go ahead and activate that first and foremost. When that is done, you will have to go to Parental Controls, Family Management. And you will go to Family Management. And it should be connected with my second account for YouTube. Please wait. Oh, there it is, as you can see here. So my main account, the Twitch account, has the is a family manager, and my second account is connected as a parent/guardian, and you can even add multiple accounts as a family into the family. And once you've done this with the second account, I believe there's an email that you have to accept with the email you have created the second account with. Alright? So remember this. So basically there are these two steps. Activate as your primary PS4 from the main account, and the second account has to be connected as into the family with your main account as a parent/guardian. It always worked like this. And now I can basically use my second account to play online games. And if you don't believe me, let me go and log out. So I have nothing to do with the main account. Let me go over to my second account. As you can see, I did not have the PlayStation Plus logo. I believe that it shouldn't be there either. Oh, you can't read it. Oh, never mind. You can see there, beside my name, I don't have the PlayStation Plus logo, but I still can play online games. Let's take, do I have Call of Duty installed? No, I have GTA 5, but we all know that I play Tekken, or if you don't, I play Tekken. And Tekken requires PlayStation Plus membership to play online, so let me go ahead and get the game. Alright, so now we're hopping into an online match, and here is just the wait lobby. See, I'm still in the game. So it works. And if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments, and I will try to help out as much as I can. I hope this tutorial was very easy to understand. And yeah, as I said before, let me know in the comments if you need any help. And hey, if you want to see more of these kind of gameplays, hop over to Twitch and give a follow to the Redrix community and be a part of it.